Hello students, welcome back in this video. Today in this video we will learn about kinds of sentences. Okay students, in my earlier videos I have already told about sentence and the structure of sentence and sentence analysis. If you don't watch my earlier videos, so please watch it. Okay, so let's begin the topic, kinds of sentences. There are three kinds of sentences. Number one, simple sentence. Number two, compound sentence. Number three, complex sentence. What is simple sentence? A simple sentence consists of one clause, often with a subject and a predicate. I explain in हिंदी, एक साधारण वाक्य जिसमें प्रायः एक सब्जेक्ट और एक प्रेडिकेट के साथ एक वाक्यांश से मिलकर बना होता है, उसे हम सिंपल सेंटेंस कहते हैं. There are 5 types of simple sentences: assertive sentence, interrogative sentence, imperative sentence, exclamatory sentence, and last is optative sentence. These are the 5 types of simple sentences. Students, let's look into each of them in detail. Okay. First is assertive sentence. What is assertive sentence? A sentence that states something is called an assertive sentence. I explain in Hindi, एक वाक्य जिसमें कुछ कहा जाता है उसे हम assertive sentence कहते हैं. There are two types of assertive sentence. First is affirmative sentence. This is also called positive sentences. For example, Sunil goes to see the picture. Second is Rani is writing a letter. Second is negative sentence. For example, Sunil does not go to see the picture. Rani is not writing a letter. These sentences are negative sentence and these sentences are positive sentence. Okay. Now second is interrogative sentence. What is interrogative sentence? A sentence that asks a question is called an interrogative sentence. I explain in Hindi, एक वाक्य जिसमें एक प्रश्न पूछा जाता है उसे हम इंट्रोगेटिव सेंटेंस बुलाते हैं. ओके, देयर आर टू टाइप्स ऑफ इंट्रोगेटिव सेंटेंस. फर्स्ट इज WH फैमिली मेम्बर्स. दिस टाइप ऑफ सेंटेंस बिगिन्स विद क्वेश्चन वर्ड्स. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, हु आर यू, what is your name. This sentence begins with question words. Who and what are question words, are or interrogative words. Okay, now second type of interrogative sentence is begins with auxiliary verbs. Friends, I have already told about auxiliary verbs in my previous video. I hope that you will know about it. Okay, for example, does Ram take your books? Is Manish an honest boy? In this sentence, does and is are auxiliary verbs. So this is the second type of interrogative sentence. Okay. Now third sentence is imperative sentence. A sentence that expresses a command or an entreaty, request, etc. is called an imperative sentence. I explain in Hindi, एक वाक्य जिसमें एक्सप्रेस होता है कमांड या entreaty या रिक्वेस्ट जैसी चीज़ें, एक्सेट्रा जैसी चीज़ें, उसे हम imperative sentence कहते हैं. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, कम हेयर राम. This sentence is expressing for to give command. Okay, please go there. This sentence is expressing for to do request. Okay, and last is obey your parents. This sentence is expressing for to give advice. Okay, so these sentences are imperative sentence. Okay, now fourth is exclamatory sentence. What is exclamatory sentence? A sentence that expresses a strong feeling is called an exclamatory sentence. I explain in Hindi, एक वाक्य जिसमें एक्सप्रेस होता है एक स्ट्रॉन्ग फीलिंग. स्ट्रॉन्ग फीलिंग्स मीन्स एकदम से निकलने वाली फीलिंग. ओके, उसको हम एक्सक्लेमेटरी सेंटेंस कहते हैं. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, what a lazy man Shyam is. How beautiful Radha is. What a beautiful scene. Okay, so these sentences are expressing a strong feeling, surprise. Okay, now second is How dirty the dog is. What a shame. These sentences are expressing a strong feeling hate. So these sentences are exclamatory sentences. Okay. Now last is optative sentence. What is optative sentence? A sentence that expresses wishes, prayers, curse, etc. is called optative sentence. I explain in Hindi. एक वाक्य जिसमें एक्सप्रेस होता है इच्छा या प्रेयर्स या प्रेयर करना या कर्स अभिशाप जैसी चीज़ें इसमें एक्सप्रेस होती हैं उसे हम ऑप्टेटिव सेंटेंस कहते हैं. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, मे यू सक्सीड इन लाइफ. दिस टाइप ऑफ सेंटेंस इज एक्सप्रेसिंग फॉर ब्लेसिंग. ओके. मे द क्रूल सफर. दिस टाइप ऑफ सेंटेंस इज एक्सप्रेसिंग फॉर कर्स. Okay, so these sentences are optative sentence. Okay, so these are the 5 kinds of sentences. I hope that you will have understood about this point of view. Now we try to solve one exercise. Okay students, this exercise is find out the kinds of simple sentences from the following sentences. Okay. The sun rises in the east. Which type of sentence? This sentence is affirmative sentence, positive sentence. Okay. So there is not a good player. This type of sentence is negative sentence. Do you go to school daily? This type of sentence is interrogative sentence which begins with auxiliary verb. Okay. Run fast. This type of sentence is imperative sentence. Okay, for to give command. Okay. Please help the poor. This type of sentence is imperative sentence for to do request. Always speak the truth. This type of sentence is imperative sentence for to give advice. Okay. Why did you help Suresh? This type of sentence is interrogative sentence. Okay. May your mother live long. This type of sentence is optative sentence for blessing. What a brave boy. This type of sentences is exclamatory sentence for expressing surprise. How beautiful the flower is. This type of sentence is exclamatory sentence for surprise. Thanks for watching.